Hello, everybody. Um, so today we go with the 6.1, the standard norm distributions, or we can, so this is the standard, so we can use as any random variable. Um, so for this one, and also, mu is 0 and the sigma is 1. So for this one, I will show you with a table and with a calculator too. So as we know, this one, for example, we divide in both way. So we know for this, and we can see this, and we can treat this one look like the X, and this one we look like the Y, but the Y is always positive. And this one is the 0.5 because we divide in half, and 0.5. So that's if we divide in half. So right here we can have, I can have right here. So this color, this one, I can use the green color, and this one is all the rest right here. This is the yellow color. Yellow color. But like for right here, for this one right here, I got the 0.1 for this. So if this one 0.1, so this one should be 0.4, and this one is 0.5. Or we can because all the variables, all this stuff right here, all the thing right here, they add up with the one. So we can say add up is go one. So because 0.5 adds 0.5, so that is the one. So from you see this, you see the green one, that is 0.1, I 0.1, but I wrote out 0 comma 1, so no, 0.1. So from here to here, this is 0.9. That's for the yellow color one. Okay, now we can go with the closer. I can show you with the table, and also the table on the canvas. We have it in the canvas right there. So we can do. So for example, this one for example. So we have so for A, so P of Z greater than 2.25. So should be right here. But this one is um, the green color right here. So this one is the green, and this one is the yellow. The whole thing yellow color. And this one is the blue color. Yeah, this one is the blue color. So as we know. So let me go detail for this one a little bit before I go with the problems or the example. So we have, so this one on the, so this one we want. This one is the green color. Uh, is the green color? Yeah. I can use with the different color for that. So this one the blue color. Okay. So this one is the blue color. So this one is the blue color. Okay. Now, by the table, I can show you with the table. The table, they always show, like looking for the show you on the yellow colors only. Because when you want to find out the green color, this one is how the way you do. If you find out the green color, this means you get one minus yellow color. One minus for the yellow color. And if you want to find out the blue colors, the blue color, this means you get yellow color and you minus 0.5. If you want the yellow color, because the yellow color, that is they give out from the table. Now we can go back in here, for example, P up Z greater than 2.5. So 2.5, 2.25, sorry, 2.25. So this one I can show you with the table. So we can go with the table. One again, the table they will have on a canvas. So we have 2.45. So we go 2.45, 2.4, and we go up to 5. So this one, 0.9929. So that one we want a green color. So we have 1 minus up 0.9929, because this one, so this one right here, so this one is from the table 0.9929. So if we do that and we got 0.0071, because we want the green color. How about we want the yellow color? Oh, we can say B equal for the P up Z less than 2.45. So of course that one is the yellow color. So if the yellow color, we got 0.0029. And we go with C. So this one is P up 0, Z less than 2.45. So one again, this one is the blue color or the blue area or blue color, which was this area right here, this one right here. So if that one, we can have 0.9929 minus 0.5. So this one we got 0.4929. Okay, so let me show you with the table one more time. So we can go with the table, and then I can show you with the calculator. So in here, find the following probability for P is Z greater than 2.21. So point 2.21 and one again. This is the from the table, the table they give you from the canvas. So 2.21. So as we can see at 2.2, so 2.2 and 2.21. So right here. So this one is 0.9864. So from right here, I can search right here. So one again. So this one to here. So this one is from the table. So the table, this one is 0.9864. Okay, so this one is we want. So this one is we want. This one is we want. So this one we want the green color. So this one is the green color. This one is we want. Okay. So that's one is we want. So when we want that one, and then we can have you know, like if on the table like that, because the table they give you with the green color. So this one with the yellow colors. So if we want that, this one we want. So if we want that, so this means 1 minus 0.9864. So which we have 0.0136. So this one equal sign. So one again, that's one is for the table. That's one is the for table. I will show you with the calculator. Okay, so now I can show you with the calculator. The calculator more simple and more clearly. So we go second verb. So I can write out in here. That's okay. Second verb. So second verb, and we go for the number 2. This one a normal CDF. So the normal CDF, and we have a lower 2.21 and the upper 9999 and the mu 0, the sigma is 1. So we can go with this or this. So we can paste this, and there you go. So this one is 0.0135 5. So this one we can round up. So 0.1 0.00136. So and then we can do with so how about this? We can do with the second one, the B. So P from the less than, so 1.75. So we can use with the calculator verb, second verb, and go to the second norm, and then because this one the less than, so the minus 99999, and this one the upper 1.75. 5. And we can paste. And this one should be, so this one, so when we use the calculators, everything, so this one is equal 0.9599. Okay. And then we can go with the C right here. Oh, by the way, I forgot this. So this one right here. Uh, okay. So this one is the shade should be on this side. Okay. So that's one right there. I forgot about this. Okay. And then this one 2.21 and minus 1.3. So we're looking for the shade. We're looking for this one in here. So this one we're looking for. So we can do the same thing. Second, RARP and norm CDF. So the lower is minus 1.3 and the upper is 2.21 and page. So this one is, so this one is 0.88 8853. Yeah. And then how about the bottom one right here for the D? For the D. So this one for the D. So we have oh, by the way, this one's still 0.0. So this one and this one. This one is 1.27 and 2.71. So this one is right here. And I still use the calculators again. Second, verb, and number 2. And the lower is 1.27. And the upper is 2.71. And page. And this one we have 0.09867. Okay. And so this one, so right here we have so find the value of A satisfied for P Z greater than A equal 0.025. For this I can because this one 0.025 we can do with a calculator. I think it's more easy and more convenient. So we can go with second verb again. Okay, let me clear out this. Second verb. And we go with number 3. So this one involve inverse norm, and the area this one is 0.025, and the sigma 1 mu 0. So this one is 0.025 and a sigma. So we norm, and we got 1 point. So this one, because this one is the positive, so this one is right here. So because this one is greater than, so A equal 1.96. I can say 8.196. So okay. So we get this one right here. So so this area, so this area right here is 0.025, but it's in 1.96. And as we do is the same for this one, we do at the same for this one. Second verb again, and we do the third one, inverse norm. So right now, this one, the area is 0.9. So we can do this, and we can go with 1. So as we go along, and we can go with that. So 1 point, so this one is less than 0.9. So this one is 0, and 0.9 should be right here. So they less than, so this area right here, and this one 1.8. So this one A equal 1.28. And then for the C, we do the same thing, but right here we go with this area right here, and we do the same thing. Oh, this one is 0.90, and this one is 0.2. So after you do, this one is 0, so mu is 0. So after you do everything, so this one is minus 1.841 for the calculator. I know you can do it with the calculator, but I just done with the calculator, so I can go with this because I done already try to practice yourself. Try to practice yourself. Okay, so this one is minus 1.28 and 1.28. So you can practice yourself. I know I wrote it down and I do that, so you can practice for yourself. Okay. So and this one is the same thing. So this one um so this one is Z alpha, so the critical volume. Basically it's the same as we already done, but this one is P of Z greater than A. So this one 0. For example, the first example we have 0.2. So this one A should be V alpha. And then right here, this one is the area to the right ring area. So right here, so this one the ring area to the right ring area. So this one alpha, and this one is Z alpha. So this one is mu is 0. So we use a table, and it's 1 minus alpha. So as we know, we do the same thing at over there, so we can bring this. I know I can skip this. So this one right here. So this area right here is 0.025, and this one is 1.96. Um, equal. So this one equal to Z 0.025. And then for the B, it's still the same too. So we have, so right here, so as we done already, so 0.005. So this one 2.58. So that's all. This one is done for the 6.1.